Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking my favorite vermicelli stir fry. I love vermicelli very much, both in soup and stir fry. This recipe that I'm going to share with you is a stir fry version with chicken and cabbage. Okay, let's start now. I used 1 bottle of the vermicelli. Soak the vermicelli in boiled water for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, drain the water and rinse under the tap water twice to cool down the vermicelli. Cut the vermicelli a couple of times to shorten the length. Put 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce and 1 tablespoon oil to the vermicelli. Mix them well and then put aside waiting for cooking. We also need 2 shiitake mushroom. I used the fresh shiitake mushroom, but you can also use dried shiitake mushroom. Cut the shiitake mushroom to slices. 4 to 6 slices of carrot. I used the carrot to enhance the color only. Cut the carrot to small strips. If you like to eat carrot, you can add more carrots in. 2 to 3 handfuls of cabbage. Cut the cabbage to long strips. I didn't remove the stem in the middle of the leaves this time. If you don't like the texture of the stem, you can remove it first. 150 gram chicken meat. I used the chicken breast this time, but you can also use chicken thigh. Cut the chicken meat against the grain to long strips. Marinate chicken meat with 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, some white pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, a little bit salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix all the seasoning with the chicken meat and put aside waiting for cooking. Heat up the pan and put half a tablespoon oil to the pan. As we have put 1 tablespoon oil to the chicken meat and 1 tablespoon oil to the vermicelli, so we don't need to use a lot of oil during cooking. Put the shiitake mushroom in. Pan fry until both sides slightly turned brown and the aroma is obviously released. And then give it a few good stir and then push to the side of the pan. Put the chicken in. Pan fry until both sides slightly turned brown. Give it a few good toasts and then mix with the mushroom for another few toasts. Chicken meat has to be fully cooked. Therefore, I put 60 ml water in, put the lid on and cook for 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, open the lid. Give the chicken and mushroom a few good toasts and then put the carrot and the cabbage in. Put half a teaspoon salt in and then toast for 1 minute. Finally, put the vermicelli in. Mix and toast the vermicelli to the vegetables and chicken meat. Put about 30 ml water in so it will be easier for toasting and mixing. Give everything a good toast for about 1 minute. And then do a final tasting. Add more salt to your preference, a little bit vegetable and mushroom seasoning, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Give everything a few more good stir. This chicken vermicelli stir fry is done. This dish is so irresistible and healthy, and it is one of my home cooking favorites. Give this recipe a try, and I hope you will like it too, and will share it out. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!